Hey, guys. So Mpumi is willing to kill her own sister for Gabriel. You know Gabriel uphile mase ngimdala yami. Nami ngiyafisa mase ngimdala. Ngilwele osisi bhadi bake bangibange nje noma ngenzeka bangilwele. Sekucaca ukuthi omunye uqinye omunye elele ufuna ukumbulala. Amshiya amthi mowathinta indoda yami. Soxabana, and that is exactly what happened with Mpumi noMaruna. And I want us to talk about that and more here on this video. But before going to the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Yabona lento yenziwa uMpumi kuMaruna is exactly how I want my wife to behave. Ngifuna bathose sibakhoma ngaba besondela kumina. In fact ngizomthengela isibhamu abe nesibhamu ahlale nesibhamu. Osesibakhe mabesondela kumina abahlaba inhlavu. Mabesondela kumina abahlaba inhlavu. You know guys, I loved very much watching the recent episode of Genesis. So what happened is that, for those who don't know, or for those who haven't watched Genesis for a very long time, what happened is that Mpumi is now dating Gabriel, if they are dating. They are doing whatever that they are doing. So while they were in their happy era, Maruna got fired at Genesis Records, and then she decided to go and talk to Gabriel about everything. And then Gabriel, being Gabriel, saw an opportunity to sign Maruna in his company, Revelations Record. Then he signed her and everything, and then promised to Maruna that he's going to buy her a house. Imagine that. Yo, when Mpumi heard that Gabriel is planning on buying Maruna a house, where was Sanya Bafana? Ngikutshela ukuthi mina ngibone le clip le Maruna elele lapha. As we are seeing on the screen right now, there it is. You would swear that Mpumi is possessed. The way I sang you would swear that she was possessed, and then share with a warning would say, ma uke wayithinta indoda yamfana ukubonisa ukuthi ngifana nobani. So I thought this was really exciting, and I'm thinking that after this uMaruna naye uzokwenza show ukuthi uyamcasula uMpumi, and uzokwenza show ukuthi she's getting close to Gabriel as much as she can, so that uMpumi izocasuka more. This is going to be really funny. And now angazi ukuthi wena uzokhetha abantu, because now she's going to have to choose between Wendy noMaruna. And now akufani nakudala, because back in the day uMaruna was the golden egg, because Mpumi was not bringing anything to the table. So now that Mpumi is bringing food to the table as well, noMaruna is bringing food to the table, I want ukuthi wena uzokhetha abantu. This is going to be fun to watch, I swear. So guys, do comment there in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you subscribed, and share it on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you know TikTok. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.